Hello everyone, this is Elongation and welcome to ATKC Home Improvement Show. Today I'm going to talk about Nippon Flex 200, a single component elastomeric breathable acrylic copolymer liquid apply waterproofing coating. In short, Nippon Flex 200 is a basic waterproofing coating for old and new constructions. It is also suitable for above ground, interior and exterior waterproofing applications such as RC roof, car porch, balconies, walls and fencings, asbestos, timber, asphalt, bitumen, and many others. What are the advantages of using Nippon Flex 200? Single component, no mixing required, easily applied, can be applied by non-skilled labor, flexible, capable of bridging stationary cracks, barrier against salts and atmospheric gases, high build, masking imperfections in substrate, waterproof, versatile and multi-purpose, UV stable, long service life and maintains its appearance. Next, let's talk about the application data of Nippon Flex 200. Application temperature between 0 to 45 degrees Celsius, service temperature between -5 to 80 degrees Celsius. Theoretical coverage of 0.25 to 0.35 kg per meter square per coat. Nippon Flex 200 is available in 5 kg and 20 kg pail, with the color selections of grey color, white color and green color. For mixing, stir the product thoroughly using a mechanical mixer for 1 to 2 minutes. Do not add any additional water or solvent to the product. Substrate preparation. The substrate must be thoroughly clean and dry, free from dust, algae, mildew, fungal, grease, and oil. Any cracks, honeycombs, water leakage area should be repaired before the waterproofing work proceeds. For application, apply the first coat to completely cover the holes, cracks, and etc. using a brush or roller. Once the first coat is torch dry, apply the second coat at the right angles to the first coat. This is the result after using Nippon Flex 200. 1 coat, 2 coats, and 3 coats. Do you think if I can waterproof this paper carton box using Nippon Flex 200? Are you ready? Let's go for water bonding test. After 24 hours, no leakages and not even a single drop of water. Well, there are 3 important criteria that you should know in waterproofing works. First, make sure your surface is clean, free from any contaminants. If there's any hairline cracks, pores or craters, please do remember to fix it first. Number 2, please apply waterproofing coating according to the application temperature with a minimum of 2 coats and above. Depending on the type of substrates, some may require the use of waterproofing primer. Number 3, after application, please let it dry and cure thoroughly. And it is always a good practice to do water bonding tests for 24 to 48 hours. Thank you for watching my video and I'll see you in my upcoming home improvement videos. Bye bye for now.